All right, welcome back, ESLAO. This is your fourth online lesson. Happy Friday, and we're going to get started. So just updates. So I believe I have contacted all of my students just to do a wellness check to make sure you're all safe and that you're all healthy at this time. Please do not be afraid to contact me if there is anything you need or another teacher. It does not need to be me. Anybody at the school. We're here to help you. So if there's anything that you or your family needs, just let us know. And with that said, we're going to get right into our lesson. So just a review from last class, we watched a video and it was the 10 best places to visit in Canada. Here are some of your answers. One student said that they really enjoyed Montreal, which is such a beautiful place. It's a very gorgeous street. The park with the line of trees, I have been there before. It's gorgeous. It's a very beautiful and artistic city. This student rated all of their favorite places, which is awesome. They had Calgary as number 1, which is really gorgeous. Whistler, which is beautiful for skiing. Quebec, to help with French, and to talk about their culture and traditions. And Niagara Falls. Whoops. So those are all wonderful choices. So yeah, thank you so much for those answers. So as you saw before, today we're going to talk a little bit about Canada's geography and waters. So different places in Canada where they are located and the different bodies of water. So this is the map we are going to be using for today. And for those of you who don't know, this up here is a compass. So this gives us direction and lets us know where everything is. So we have north, east, south, and west. So, for example, we know that Nunavut is located in the north of Canada. Newfoundland and Labrador is the most east part of Canada. We know that Ontario is the most south part of Canada. And the Yukon, as you can see from this tiny little piece here, is the most west part of Canada. So we can use this compass to show where everything is. So Canada, there are 3 different oceans that touch Canada. In the east, we have the Atlantic Ocean, which we can see here with our Atlantic provinces. In the north, we have the Arctic Ocean, which is up here. And in the west, we have the Pacific Ocean, which is over here. There are also 5 Great Lakes, which we can see all down here near Ontario. So we've got Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. There's also a river that flows from Lake Ontario into Quebec called the St. Lawrence River. We also have the Hudson Bay, which is right in the middle of Canada, and we can see it leads into the Arctic Ocean and into the Atlantic Ocean. So this is just a little bit of information about Canada's geography, where everything is, and the water in Canada. So your task today is you are going to complete the Canadian Geography Quiz. Once again, I just want you to try this quiz. If you do not get 10 out of 10, that's okay. That's totally fine. It's my hope that you just try to become more familiar. So you're going to go to your Google Classroom, just like this, and you're going to click on this link here. You're going to scroll down, just move this over a bit. Scroll down, and you're going to see the Canadian Geography Quiz right here. And you're going to see the map that we used in our lesson to help you a little bit with these questions. So every answer is hiding in the map. So if you have a look at the map, you will be able to find the answers to the quiz. So take the quiz to find out how well you know Canada. You're going to click the quiz, start quiz, and you're just going to answer these questions here and you're going to go through. Once you have finished your quiz and you're at the end, you are going to take a screenshot, just like last time. You're going to take a picture of the score from your quiz. There we are. And you're going to send it to me over email. I know last time we tried to do a Google Doc, it didn't work so well. So this time you can just send it to me over email. And that's the end of the lesson for today. I will review your scores and we will talk about them in Monday's lesson. Please don't be afraid to email me if you have any questions as always. And that's all from me. I hope you have a relaxing weekend and I hope your first week back to online school has been okay for you. So fun fact for Mr. Fish, the coldest day in Canada was in the Yukon and it was negative 63 degrees Celsius, which is very cold. So the next time you think that Ontario is cold, think about how cold it is in the Yukon. That's all from me. Hope you're safe and I will see you on Monday.